We are in the kitchen with half of the board couple this morning. Monica is joining us to celebrate National Charcuterie Day. Hi.
Happy holidays.
Yay. I love it. How come you don't have the day off on your day?
Oh, because there's no better way to celebrate than making boards for others, right?
I love that. I want to talk a little bit about the board couple because we see you here on San Antonio Living all the time. You and I are longtime friends. If you know, you know. But you guys were the first in San Antonio to do the board like this. How did it all come to be?
Oh gosh, so it really started in 2016, but we didn't really officially launch the business until 2018. We loved to travel, we loved wine, we started getting educated in wine, and while we were traveling, just really coming about how to build the perfect charcuterie board. And so then, you know, years before, also have a mutual friend who got married in Italy, and that's the first time I really truly saw a grazing table and thought, how do you put that together? So it had been years in the making, and then a couple of years to get the business going. And then once we started in 2018, our birthday was just this past month, July 5th, 2018. We were super lucky to get a job, our first day in business, for everybody who's who in town was there for a meeting. And then the Wall Street Journal and USA Today's 10 Best found out about us and started writing articles, and we were named top 10 in the country. So it was pretty cool. And then after that, the pandemic hit, and we started shipping nationwide, and Dell and Nestle and Spotify and so many other cool companies found out about us, and it just kind of
it blew up.
Yeah, it did.
It really did. And the reason it blew up is because of boards like this. I mean, they're absolutely beautiful. You aren't, you know, you and Brian aren't two guys putting these together in your basement kitchen and rolling them out. You've taken classes. You've learned about wine. You have certifications. You have a brick and mortar. You have all these things, and that's what sets you guys apart from everybody else.
Well, thank you. Yeah, we really take pride in our work, and, you know, I want everyone to know when it comes to your table, there's a lot of thought and love and education put behind it. We're not just throwing stuff on a board. Everything is there. There's food pairings on the board. There's savory, there's sweet. We go the extra mile of sourcing from around Texas. If it's not local, then it at least comes from the state. And if it can't come from the state, we find the very best in Italy and across the nation for some of our meats. We slice all of our meats in-house, all of our cheeses in-house. And the styling technique is really something fun. And today we're going to show you guys how to do one of our signatures. We like to call it the ballerina skirt or the tutu that goes around the wheel of brie.
Okay, I love it. Fantastic. So we're going to learn how to do that. We've got our brie right here. We have two kinds of meat, like a little pepperoni friend and some regular salami.
There's actually a trap door back here. So you have Genoa, pepperoni, and hard salami. They look very similar.
Three?
There's three.
See, this is why. This is why.
And so we usually take a wheel of brie, and this is a fun thing to do if you want to celebrate today at home, or you want to do this for the holiday season. But you're going to just take a piece, and you're going to fold it in half. And fold it in half again. Just like that. And you're going to keep folding until you get enough to start putting around the skirt so it looks just like what you see right here. So you're just going to fold them all together, and we have so much fun stuff planned. This Friday night is our very last summer nights. It's also National Red Wine Day. So we're celebrating all the holidays this week.
I love it.
But yeah, we're open 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. So make your reservations. Come on out, enjoy a glass of wine and some charcuterie. And then Saturday is our last Build Your Own Charcuterie Board Workshop of 2026. So we have 2 seats remaining in that one if you wanted to.
Only one couple can go on a date night at this point because it's so full. I want to show some pictures of the Zarzamora location because that's where you can find the board couple team. They've got this great little shop where you can come on in, do a little shopping. If you want to pick up some of the cool things that you've seen on the boards, you can do that in the shop. They teach classes there. Like I said, check the calendar because it's a really fun date night experience. And of course, you can just pop on in and say hello to the team, learn a little bit about them before you order your board. You can order your boards online. I love what you guys have done. It's so simple. There's so many cool things to see there. All right, how are we doing?
So we're just going to go ahead and you can start placing it around the board just like that.
See, mine's not professional.
Beautiful.
It's close.
No such thing. You just keep styling it and going around. But if you don't want to do this, you can order any time of the day. We have some charcuterie insomniacs who order at 2 a.m.
So they're dreaming of charcuterie. I love that.
You can just go online and place your order. And we're also booking for the holidays already, if you can believe it.
Because we're excited. I love that.
Spring 2027 weddings are in full swing right now.
Okay, guys, it is time to think about our friends at the Board Couple. Again, they are the best in San Antonio. Monica has charcuterie earrings. I mean, you've got to trust her, right? Yes, there they are. They're amazing. All right, guys, here's where you can find our friends at the Board Couple. You can find them at 2218 North Zarzamora Street, just north of downtown. Go to theboardcouple.com. Give them a follow on Instagram at theboardcouple.